In front of me is Honor 600, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. All you need to do is open Play Store to download free app called DevCheck Device and SystemInfo from Flare to Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and thanks to it, all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Now, quick tip. When you go into dashboard, tap on all of those options here, not only to read all about it in the pop-up, but also because when you click settings at the bottom right corner of each one, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings right away. It also works when you click on gear icons at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!